today I want to talk about a common problem why we feel uncomfortable while speaking English. There's any need? There's any problem? What we can do? Why we feel uncomfortable while speaking English? Because of we are not an English medium student, because of our Hindi medium background, because of our environment, our consistency. What the reason behind it? Why we feel uncomfortable? Maybe I'm not capable to speak. I'm not so used to join any spoken English classes. I can't afford any big resources to learn English speaking. I can't afford that. I can't spend money. That is why, if you think like this, so it's not like that. Because if you think like this, we are not capable to speak English because of that our background or whatever I said. It's like we don't have so much resources, so much content, so much books and classes. I can't afford. That is why I can't speak English. But no friend, because of our subconscious mind is not proper trained. You have to train your mind. You can speak English. You have to speak with yourself. I can do this. I can do that, and I will become a English speaker. Okay? And sometime our mind will shake. Because of that we are thinking too much. Because of that we are feeling afraid of making mistakes. We are feeling afraid, if I will make any mistakes, then what people they will say? They will laugh at me. Maybe what will happen, I don't know. I don't know what will happen. But we feel afraid of speaking. We feel afraid of making mistakes. You feel mistakes are your weakness? No, mistakes are your strength. You have to make your strength by weakness. Because when you realize your mistakes, where you doing mistakes or not, we have to improve them. Okay, if you made any mistakes anywhere, okay, you have to improve that mistakes, correct that mistakes. That is fine to learn English speaking. And the mostly important thing, just speak. Okay, speak. Whatever you see, whatever you read, whatever you listen, whatever you think, just speak loudly. If you see any poster anywhere, okay, anywhere in English, just read aloud. This is the important fact. Then you will become a fluent English speaker. Just speak out. Whatever you speak, think, read, write, whatever you do, nothing matter. Only speak out loudly. Why I'm saying with you? Because when you speak loudly, your mouth will work, your brain active. You're also doing a lot of movements. Your hands just like moving here and there, your mind active, your mouth is working, you are practicing speaking, memory power, words power, vocabulary power, all this happening at that time. So just speak loudly. This is the main fact. Okay, and in my case I'm also doing these all the things. I'm not extraordinary person. I'm just same like you. I'm just ordinary person, and I don't have any English environment. I'm just making my own environment while listening, watching, practicing, doing here and there just like that. Okay? I'm just ordinary person. And still I'm learning English. I'm not confident, I'm not fluent. I'm confident, but I'm not so fluent. Okay? And I can say still I'm beginner and maybe intermediate. Okay, so you can say I'm intermediate level. My level is intermediate. But why this? Because sometime I broke my consistency. I'm not so consistent. That is why. And what I believe whatever you do, just do every day. Every day practice, read, write, whatever it's need to speak for English. Just do everything step by step. Don't run, don't rush, and don't stop. Just slowly. You have to walk, but slowly. Don't run. And if you think like this, I'm not, stay motivated. Sometime my motivation is very high, my level it's very high, and suddenly it's go down. Why? Because you are just searching content, which content is very powerful, which content is very important for speak English. You are just collecting content, books, classes, and resources, and you are not focusing. You are just collecting all the things and just sit and wondering, what should I do? I should read this one, this book, that book, story book, and novel book, fiction book, and vocabulary related, sentence related. You are just thinking like this, just wandering here and there, here and there. This will not happen. This will not help you to improve your English. This will just give your motivation go down. This will not help you to improve your English. What will help you, which is consistency, and read only one book, watch only one video in a one day. 10 minutes you have to listen only one video, 10 minutes you have to imitate only one video, and 10 minutes you have to practice every day. And mostly practice with mirror. Okay, so all these things it's need to do, it's very compulsory, it's very crucial for speak English. Okay, and if you are doing by consistency, there is no need to collect extra resources, because when you collect so many resources and just gathered, that will feel like I'm so frustrated. We feel like I'm confused. What I should do? I should learn this word, this book, this phrase, this sentence. You will feel frustrated. You will feel embarrassed. What I can do? I should just stop everything and just focus to improve myself. This is the main fact. Just ignore everything, only focus one thing, read, listen, practice. Okay? Three things you have to do mostly and mostly if you want to speak English. Okay? And writing also helps you to enhance your thinking level. Think whatever you think, just write down. When you write anything, your mind will work. It's thinking what the word, what the sentence which you are writing, which you are know. Okay, so writing it's enhance your thinking power. And you know friends, this is evening time and you won't believe I'm making this video after sunset. And after sunset I'm making this video, or like maybe after some time my face is not visible, and now my face is visible. That is why I'm stay here and talking with yourself, talking with my camera. This way I am practicing every day. This way I am facing difficulties, I am facing myself every day in front of the camera. Okay, and I want to suggest, face your camera. When you face your camera, you will face your face impression, hands activity, mouth, everything you face. Okay, you will face. So please face your camera every day. Just open your camera, start talking, and okay, after you have to listen carefully and find out your mistakes where you made, and write down in your copy. After that, search what you can do it, think what you can improve and how you can improve. Okay, everything if you do, then gradually things become easier. But if you run to just collecting all the materials, that will not help you, that will just confuse yourself. Okay, if you don't want to confuse yourself, if you want to learn, then please be focused, be consistent, and don't rush, don't quit, and don't stop. Everything do, but slowly. It's a language. It's take time. This is my final message for you. And I hope you like it my video. If you like it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.